Crude oil washing. Regulations and precautions.
Crude oil washing, COW, refers to using parts of the cargo oil injected to a pressure into the cargo tank through the tank cleaning machines so as to remove sludge deposits on the structures and bottom of tanks, making use of the solubility action of crude oil. The ultimate aim of the system is to discharge cargo oil together with sludge and other deposits from the cargo tank to shore tank. Plans are to be formulated following IMO regulation, COW operation manual, and terminal regulation. Number of the tanks to be washed must follow the regulations. Cargo oil in the tank that is used for crude oil wash must be discharged at least 1 meter in the level of the tank to avoid static electricity effect during washing due to the presence of water. Do not use oil in the tank that is loaded on top of slop water for crude oil wash. Take care if high vapor pressure cargo, RVP of oil is more than 7 psi, is used for the washing. It is expected that tank pressure will go up immediately during the washing due to its tendency of vaporization. COW suitability of a cargo should be discussed with a terminal representative in advance.